All right. Good morning, everyone. Today is January 20th. Meech the Money Honey here, bringing you my morning market overview. Today is Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, as well as Inauguration Day. And we are currently looking at the Bitcoin chart on the 15-minute time frame. We hit a high overnight of 109,358. So a new all-time high. We have since pulled back a little bit, some profit taking. I'm imagining that people are waking up and saying, okay, taking a little profit. But I don't think we're done. I think we have an inauguration speech today, and we see this thing zoom through this Bitcoin bull flag that we're looking at right now. And the bigger story, I think, is that Trump launched a meme coin over the weekend. I do have it in my list here. And it went to an all-time high of almost $80, which is incredible. Let me reset this chart view here. I will not be investing in this or trading it, I think probably is the right word. The reason being is that I really don't think it was a great idea because over the weekend it did cause a lot of people to lose a considerable amount of money. I think if you don't have a sniper bot on one of these meme coins, that you are probably going to be liquidity, meaning your money goes into someone else's pocket. So I'm not a huge fan of the way this whole thing went down. That's just my personal opinion. So I'm going to be sticking to the larger cap coins. So things like, I'll tell you exactly what I am invested in. I am invested in Ripple, so XRP. This would be one that I'm in. I am invested in Solana. I like that blockchain. I think it's going to do well because there is going to be a significant amount of meme coin trading going on. This is a coin that I held. This is a gaming coin that I bought back in the last cycle and still holding on to. It really hadn't done much. I think maybe there's probably 20 bucks in or something. Um, do have a little bit of Ethereum. Again, another, and Gala Games, that's a gaming token that I bought last cycle, still holding a little bit of that, not much. Ethereum, obvious use case here. A lot of dApps, decentralized applications, are built on Ethereum. And of course, Bitcoin. Huge Bitcoin advocate. This is where savings goes. But I think we're going to see this thing really go because from what I am seeing out there on different social media platforms, apparently there's been a leak. Who knows whether this is true or not? And Bitcoin is going to be announced as a strategic reserve in Trump's inauguration speech today. We'll see if that actually happens. That's just what I read this morning, not an amp. So, yeah, so those are my holdings in cryptocurrency. Definitely long-term view on Bitcoin and the blockchains, Ethereum, Solana, and I believe Ripple is one of the coins that was going to be used for part of the crypto currency strategy in Trump's new administration. This can be used for cross-border payments. And apparently he met with the CEO of Ripple. They've been in litigation with the SEC for years now. Finally, that looks like that may be done with Trump coming into office. So I think this is probably a good long-term bet also. So those are just my picks for the overall crypto market. Let's take a look at the futures. And looks like we're mixed here on the stock market. Makes sense. We're kind of waiting to see what Trump's going to say in his speech today. So I'm not surprised at all. I do want to look at a few other stocks. I do want to look at MicroStrategy because that's one that tends to benefit from a spike in Bitcoin, and we are definitely today's a holiday for the stock market. So you may see you've got futures moving, but individual stocks probably not going to happen because we are closed for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. But yes, look at the futures market and you can see that it's relatively flat. So anyway, all right. That is pretty much all I'm going to talk about Monday morning because I think all eyes are on crypto today and what happens in this inauguration speech. So, really, my prediction is that we go up, but you never know. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys like what I'm bringing you, then consider subscribing to my channel. I'd appreciate the support. And happy trading crypto today. Take care and stay safe.